What is the inclination of the glide slope with respect to the moving flight deck? A 3. B 5. C 3.5. D 4. The correct answer is 4. Which of the following is an optical landing aid used in aircraft carriers? A. ACLS. B. FLOLS. C. SPN 41. D. SPN 46. The correct answer is FLOLS. What is added to SPN 42 to eliminate wandering of the echo skin? A. ASA. B. Aircraft beacon. C. PESA. D. Helical antenna. The correct answer is aircraft beacon. Aircraft executing missed approach from low altitude is called as A. bolter. B. faulty. C. ranger. D. dropper. The correct answer is bolter. Wake perturbations are caused by A. high-speed landings. B. low visibility. C. heaving motion of ship. D. steady-state wake. The correct answer is heaving motion of ship. Which of the following causes a bubble at the threshold and along the glide path? A. high-speed landings. B. low visibility. C. heaving motion of ship. D. steady-state wake. The correct answer is steady-state wake. What is the frequency band used by the ACLS? A. Ka band. B. S band. C. C band. D. E band. The correct answer is Ka band. The relative speed of the aircraft with respect to the carrier deck is A. lower. B. greater. C. 0. D. indifferent. The correct answer is lower. The ACLS can land an aircraft in zero visibility conditions. A. true. B. false. C. D. The correct answer is true. Why is heave motion of the carrier not corrected in the FLOLS? A. two aircraft use simultaneously. B. atmospheric fluctuations. C. two random motion. D. not economical. The correct answer is two aircraft use simultaneously. Which of the following is false with respect to ACLS? A. zero visibility landing is possible. B. uses Ka band radars. C. compensated for carrier roll, heave and pitch. D. only handle one aircraft at a time. The correct answer is only handle one aircraft at a time.